Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore practical tips and tricks that can help you embrace frugality without sacrificing your quality of life. Frugal living is a lifestyle characterized by making intentional choices to prioritize saving money, reducing unnecessary expenses, and maximizing the value of resources. The goal of frugal living is to achieve financial stability, minimize debt, and adopt a more sustainable and minimalist approach to consumption. Here are some key aspects of frugal living. Budgeting. Establish a detailed budget that outlines your income, fixed expenses like rent, mortgage, and utilities, variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, and savings goals. This helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions. Secondly, monitor your spending habits regularly. Keeping track of your expenses can highlight areas where you can cut costs and save money. And third, evaluate subscriptions. Review your monthly subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, etc., and cancel those you don't use often. Smart shopping. Look for discounts, coupons, and promotional offers when making purchases. Many stores offer loyalty programs or digital coupons that can help you save money. Consider purchasing generic or store-brand products instead of name brands. Often these items are of similar quality but come at a lower cost. Explore thrift stores, consignment shops, and online platforms for second-hand items. This is an excellent way to save money on clothing, furniture, and other household items. Meal planning. Eating out can be expensive. Cooking meals at home is usually more cost-effective and allows you to have greater control over your ingredients. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and stick to it. This can help prevent impulse purchases and reduce food waste. Buy non-perishable items in bulk to take advantage of discounts. However, be mindful of perishable items to avoid unnecessary waste. Energy efficiency. Implement energy-saving practices in your home, such as turning off lights and appliances when not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and properly insulating your home. Reduce water consumption by fixing leaks, using low-flow fixtures, and being mindful of water usage. Transportation. Frugal individuals may opt for cost-effective transportation options such as carpooling, using public transportation, biking, or walking. This not only saves money on fuel and maintenance, but also reduces the environmental impact. Secondly, regular maintenance of your vehicle can prevent costly repairs and improve fuel efficiency. Consider purchasing a fuel-efficient vehicle if possible. Debt management. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts to save money on interest payments. Also, think carefully before making non-essential purchases. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a necessity or a luxury. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt by distinguishing between needs and wants. Embrace a do-it-yourself mentality. Learning basic repair and maintenance skills can save you money on home and vehicle repairs. Get creative with repurposing items instead of buying new ones. This can include upcycling furniture or finding alternative uses for everyday items. Savings and emergency fund. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures that a portion of your income is consistently saved. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This fund provides a financial safety net and prevents relying on credit during emergencies. Community and social engagement. Frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing social interactions. Instead, it encourages finding low-cost or free ways to engage with the community, friends, and family. You can also collaborate with neighbours, friends, or family to share tools, equipment, or even bulk purchases to get better deals. Frugal living is not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your values and long-term financial goals. It requires discipline, planning, and a willingness to reconsider traditional spending habits. By adopting these principles, individuals can achieve financial independence, reduce stress related to money, and contribute to a more sustainable and responsible lifestyle. Thank you for watching.